Homophones are something that we never got to talk about in class, but they're not that hard. A homophone is a set of words that sound exactly the same, but they're spelled differently and they mean different things. So for example, if we were to read all 4 words on number 1, we have here, head, and heel. The 2 words that sounded exactly the same were here and here. Now, the way you know what each of these words mean is by looking at how they're spelled. H-E-R-E for here is talking about if you're saying something is right here, a location. H-E-A-R is like what your ears do, they hear. A good trick for that one is looking at the spelling of this one. H-E-A-R, the word ear, E-A-R, is in the word, so that one is the one that talks about what your ears do, they hear. So for this section, you're just going to figure out which words sound the same, and those are the homophones. Down here it says read each sentence and words beside it. Write the word that is pronounced the same as the word shown in each blank. So for example, it says Jane blank dust off the old book, and it shows you right here that you're looking for a homophone for the word blue. Now B-L-U-E is like the color, so that wouldn't make sense in this. And it gave the option of blue and beat. We need a word that sounds like blue, so this blue would be the option that you want. B-L-E-W, and that means to like blow air. That one makes sense in the context. Jane blew dust off the old book. She used air and blew it off. Number 2, you're going to do the exact same thing. You read the sentence and look in the parentheses, and that's going to give you the word that you're looking for a homophone for. In this case, you're looking for a homophone for the word to, and you use your options over here. You do that all the way to number 5. On the back, it gives you this list of words, and you just have to match it to the homophone down here. So like for example, dear, D-E-A-R, is like how you start a letter, like when you say dear whoever. D-E-E-R is the animal, deer. So they match, deer and deer, and you cross it off your list. Number 2, meet, M-E-E-T, is like when you meet someone. We're going to look for a word that's spelled differently but still pronounced meet. And if we look up here, starting at the list, well, our very first one is meat, M-E-A-T, which is like the food. So you would put meat and then cross it off. And you do that for all of them. And I'll just read through these real quick. We have here, which is like a location, like right here. Waste, be, sent, to, made, right, I, new, blue, sail, week, road. We have waste, sail, to, blue, right, made, week, here, be, sent, new, I, heel, and road. So you just match the words that sound the same, and then we can talk about meanings a different time.